Hi guys, welcome back to Channel Wagwan Tours with Marmaris. We're here outside the football bars. Well, that's the Albatross. But you've got the Geordie Bar and you've got Black Mirror down there. It's in nightlife lounge, you've got plenty of them. We're going to be around here later on tonight, so you'll hear nice stuff. How's it going, you alright? Good man. How you doing, brother?
How are you?
Yeah, good?
You're very welcome.
Good. Lovely to see you. Yeah.
Again. How are you? Right?
Yeah. Did you see the video of you on the tree?
Yes, but tonight.
Tonight, that's it.
Love you. Welcome. All right.
Yeah, we're good. We're just going down, have a walk. Yeah.
You see tonight?
Yeah, tonight we're here tonight.
Come to the street.
Yeah, and crazy.
Have a nice time. All the
Thank
best.
you. Thank you. So you got the Ibrox there as well. Yeah, I've actually been in the Ibrox before. Manchester is always a good bar. Always get wrecked in the Manchester. So yeah, Rangers. And then what's this, Anfield? Oh, we had a good drink in Anfield as well.
Yeah, we did.
Okay, got some sort of TV screen going on there. Ah, for the football, for tonight. Yeah.
Spain.
So yeah, Turkey, Spain tonight. Be careful, spinner. So yeah, Turkey, Spain tonight.
Yeah, so we can make sure we're watching that.
Yeah.
And then tomorrow, England, Andorra.
England, Andorra tomorrow. Okay. It's nice to come away and have some international matches. I don't mind it when club football's on, but my team's, yeah, tasty bites, yeah. I'll be back here tonight, hopefully. Getting myself a pizza. So yeah. Let's go down to the waterfront. So yeah, these little bikes. I remember how much they charge actually. Let's say in the comments if you know the prices of these little trikes, are they called? 3 wheels, isn't that? Trike. A little bit more windy down here, which is taking that heat just off, which is quite nice actually. Do you think that little wind is?
Yeah, really nice. Obviously it's still like 37, 38, but the wind just pulls you
Taking
a little
that
bit
edge
into
right
it.
off, and it's nice, really nice. So you can get taxi boats right here every day. Okay. So let's go down. Let's see if we see some people who recognise us. So you've got Pucker here. Pucker. Yes. So Andorra, very nice. And you got their beach on the other side. If you can see them, quite far away. So what's this one? The Bonita. And then they've got their beach on the other side. Yeah, Marmaris is beautiful. Same as Ishmael, beautiful places. So this is the Jet 2 Hotel. So, coming up to Salt and Pepper. Free sunbeds. How's it going, brother? You okay?
Yes, my name is James.
James, yeah?
Yeah.
Where's the other guy?
Yeah, he's the boss.
Oh, nice
You're the
to
boss?
see
Yeah, he's
Yeah?
the boss, yeah.
I remember you.
You remember, yeah?
Yeah.
Lovely to meet you, guy. I'll see you again anyway.
Welcome. How are you?
Yeah, good, yeah. Yeah.
Swing this year.
Oh, I see, yeah, the swing, yeah, in the background, very nice. Very
Low
nice.
heart. It wasn't here.
No, the heart wasn't here either, yeah.
It was here last year. You made it, yeah.
Yeah, May, yeah, it wasn't here. Salt and pepper.
Yeah, very nice.
Very
And the
nice.
swing, beautiful.
You can see the lady on the swing on the side. Very nice.
I didn't have to get a picture there.
Yeah. Yeah.
Pictures?
Yeah.
Nice sunbed, free sunbed.
We have to keep going, but we're going to come back. We're going to come back, yeah?
Come again?
Yes,
Yeah.
definitely come back
Wanna see
here.
baby turtle as well?
Yeah.
Baby turtle?
Where is it? Here.
Say hello.
Oh, look at
We
this.
look after them.
Nice.
Very cute.
Yeah. Going up for some air.
And you got the entertainment as well.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Lots of
Fire.
entertainment. Nighttime we just put them on the tanks.
Oh, okay. Very nice.
Tonight we have salsa, drone light show.
This is the one. I want to see him. This guy.
Tina Turner. Really?
Oh man, I remember you. How are you?
Yeah, how you doing? How you doing?
Hey my love, how are you? You played again.
We
Oh,
told you we'd be back.
yeah. How are you? You
good.
okay? Good to see you.
They're just showing us
Good to
your
see you.
heart.
Yeah, the new heart, the swing.
You can. But you know the we follow up with the singers.
How do you have?
We'll see you later.
See you soon.
Oh, yeah, definitely get a picture on the swing. Let's come back, get a swing through one.
So yeah, the water's more clearer. The water's a lot more clearer in Ishmael. It's still nice. Yeah. No, I'm just saying nicer, clearer water in Ishmael. I like it. So Green Beach. Breakfast £4, big one. Scottish breakfast £5. It's not bad at all. You got Ruby Beach as well. Fun pub. Very nice. And so they've all got their, like I said, their own sunbeds.
Yeah, most of the sunbeds come with get drinks.
Yeah. Live music in there. The Drifters.
Excuse me, where are you from, my friend?
Where am I from? England.
What about, obviously?
Swindon.
Swindon Town FC.
Yeah, that's right.
I tell you what,
Yeah.
they be nightmare to me, the Swindon Town
Yeah?
FC Football Club. I used to bet all the time on them, they
Always
lose.
losing, yeah. I'm
Yeah.
Southampton though.
You need
I'm
to bet on
Southampton,
Tottenham, bet on Tottenham.
Red and white.
yeah. The same thing.
Bet on Tottenham.
Cox, Tottenham Hotspurs.
Yeah.
Yeah, she's Tottenham, yeah.
Sound is a fun, bro.
That's it.
Where are you staying?
Oh, just round here.
Just
Not
round
this
the
one, not
corner.
this one.
What?
This is in Ishmael, not
We were
staying
just
there.
come from
I
Ishmael.
never seen this restaurant, that's why
Yeah.
I asked you.
It's a new one.
Bye.
Good.
Have a good day, yeah?
Bye bye.
Karen's. What a name. Karen's. Hello.
Are you alright?
Yeah, we're good, thank you.
Might have a lot of complainers there.
Thank you. Oh, it's Jimmy's, yeah?
Ah, Jimmy.
Hopla. So, what's this? Talk of the town? Very nice. There was a new one coming up, and we haven't, we was looking at it when we first came. Casper's Beach. Very busy in here as well. But I won't get them free. All locals. Oh, very nice. I won't get them free.
Good prices.
Very good prices.
Very good prices.
So yeah, here at Notice, everyone is very friendly out here. This place. Well, what was this one earlier before?
So,
And it was just getting it ready back in May. Remember the one afterwards?
remember this song?
Yeah. What's the name? Do sushi here. Fresh daily, 6 to close, 12.
Got the little seating area that goes out.
Yeah. It's quickly say Stella. It's Stella, is it? Yeah, Stella restaurant. Very nice. Then you can go out onto the water. Show you the heart of Stella. So yeah, you can go up there, chill out there and have your food. Let's go and see if Shaggy's around. Portofino Beach. Everywhere has free Wi-Fi, free sunbeds, and the Wi-Fi reaches all the way to the beach. So you're never without Wi-Fi. If you're just come to the hotel, you're not really doing much. I don't think you really need anything else but the bar Wi-Fi. If you like us, you probably would need one of them internet boxes, but yeah. Yeah, sushi. That's Janos. Janos. Again, everyone chilling on the beach. Like I said, it's a really nice day because it's got that little bit of wind. Just takes the edge off. Where in Ishmael, there wasn't any wind. I don't remember actually having wind there. So you got Beachfront, bar and restaurant.
It's going to be very busy tonight, isn't it?
Yeah, definitely. So, fun pub again, okay. There was just two of them that said fun pub. I don't know if they brought a second one. But yeah, this one has a nightclub at the back as well. So we haven't actually been to the nightclub yet. We might try one time. What's this one called again? Lotus Beach.
Thank you.
Tiffany's. Very nice reggae as well. Very good. Thank you.
Scotland tonight.
Is it? They're not something, okay. Oh, that's what I got all the stuff at. Yes, England, England. There it is, it's the new one, boom. Street food and pub. Yeah. How's it going, mate? You alright? You good? That's how look, it's brand new, isn't it? Brand new. No, I said it's new. New business. Let's have a look. So this is brand new for this year. We've got pool. Look at this, beer pong, beer pong, foosball, darts. Look at this, really good. I'll have to stop another game of pool, it looks like. Very nice. Everton vs Birmingham. What day is it? Friday, it didn't say it live because we're international, so that's an old game. But yeah. All your normal top shelves. Popcorn as well. Sorry. And then obviously burgers, street food. So yeah. Very cool. Very different for down here because everything the same, you know, everything basically the same, but you've got to stand out and you've got to have something a little bit different. So if you can all like, subscribe, share to your family and friends who love Marmaris, Turkey, and yeah, that will help us push the channel heavily. Because at the moment we're trying to reach 5,000. We're very close, very close. After that, the big push will be for 10,000. But yeah, let's get everyone subscribed up. Look at this nice big air conditioner unit, cooling you down. It's lovely, absolutely lovely. Right, let's have a beer and a quick game of pool. Cut to us having a game of pool. Motionless in the void. Shot. No, we missed it. Billy, lovely to meet you, yeah?
Nice to meet you.
Lovely to meet you. It's going to be on YouTube, big YouTube. Newcastle. See you later, Newcastle. Yeah. Cheers, guys. Oh yeah, YouTube.
Come on, Newcastle!
See you guys.
Yeah, have a nice holiday.
Be careful. Alright. So, come here, because he's right there, look at him. Shaggy! Oh! Shaggy, how you doing, brother? You good?
You good?
You're looking skinny, what's going on?
No, I'm not small. I'm always there.
Hello, nice to see you.
So, Kent Pub. Yeah, of course. Kent Pub's always
I'm
good
in
for
the
night time,
future
innit?
ex-wife.
I know, look at that.